First, we need to look at isangoma. In a broader context, umubheka isangoma umuntu othwele ngedlozi. And isithwalo nesithwalo esiba khona sinemithetho yakhona. Kunemithetho eba between umuntu nedlozi lakhe, and we never know of them because it's between you and your ancestors. But there's certain sacrifices and things you can and cannot do. So now, as isangoma, you want to date, you want to have a relationship, you want to get married, but the healer in you will always attract people in your life. Your energy generally will always bring people that need from your healing pot because you're a born healer. So whether you want to be in a relationship or not, everyone that crosses your path is there for a reason. There's a seed that you need to plant in their lives. There's a seed that you need to harvest in their lives. And it's got nothing to do with you, but what you are putting in that person. So the aspect of dating as a spiritually gifted child is a challenge. The 2Ks will say siyagoa and evele siyagoa because we are encountering people that do not know how to move with us. Dating isangoma or a spiritual person, it means you need to understand what kind of person am I dating. Lo muntu lona is not alone. Is lo muntu responsible for umsamo wasekhaya? Because remember, as isangoma, you are a resurrector of umsamo musha wasekhaya. So already there's a big responsibility with your life. So a person that's coming into your life, he needs to be cognizant ukuthi lo muntu engizwana naye umi kanje. And then when that agreement is there, because sometimes, like I say, we end up dating our clients because we don't understand. Umuntu uze empilweni yakho, then you end up dating them, but because the eye wants what it wants. But if this person comes with that understanding of ngizozwana nesangoma, a lot of things that are happening would not be happening because people are dating abantu abanamadlozi but not understanding who they are in the spirit. Your gift, or rather your spirituality, shouldn't be your personality. A lot of people cease to exist in their callings because your gift has become your personality. You cannot thrive outside your gift. You have to come in a room, and that takes away from you enjoying your existence or life in generally, because we are not omniscient to life. It's just that what we go through makes us better healers. We go through life so we can become better healers. Everything we go through is a lesson, is a reason. There's a season. Oh, you realize, oh, this is why what happened. So, abantu they date, abantu abagifted, they don't understand ukuthi lo muntu umi kanje, isimo sakhe sikanje. Then you don't need to go in a relationship and have to explain to a person ukuthi hayi namhlanje kuvuka unkomo, or hayi namhlanje mele ngiyenza ukuthi umuntu uza with the understanding ukuthi mhlambe kune 50 days without sex, but because ngazile